evening, everybody. Oh, different time. But you get 8 hours of sleep or not? Hoy, ano ba, Julian? Wag mo i-bash yung English ko. I need to practice my English, guys, because I'm going to face a lot of interviews. So I can improve my English. Oh, 5 and 8. That's great. That's enough sleep. Oh my gosh. Naubusan na ako ng English speaking. I don't know how to speak in English anymore, guys. Kumakati na yung ulo ko. Oh, not so well, Johnny G. Not so well. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. Thank you for complimenting my English. I'm practicing my English, Johnny G, so I can speak fluent. Hi, Jay. Di puta, put ko. Natakaan ko. Yeah. What time do you go to work? Do you eat your breakfast before... Do you eat your meal before going to work? How's your work? Are you night shift? Oh, it's your day of today. So you get rest. You get some rest. Rest all day because you work so hard. Don't forget to get some rest. So you'll not be drained. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, I remember you, Johnny G. Oh my god. Yeah, you have Mexican restaurant, Johnny G, right? Is that you? Is that right? You have the... Yeah, I remember you. And also, you love strawberries flavored food. You love strawberries, right, Johnny G? I know you so well. I remember you. Di po, yapper. Super yapper. I'm so hyper. Oh my god. Yeah. I remember you, Johnny G. So how's your life? How's your life, Johnny G? Nice to meet you again. It's nice to see you again here in my life. Thank you, Romeo. Thanks, Romeo. Ta-da-da. Oh, wow. That's great. That's great. That's great, Johnny G. JR. Hello. It's... Okay, bye, Johnny G. Pangit, hello. Good night, Johnny G. Sleep well. Ay, good morning. Good morning. Sleep well. Have a nice day. Thank you, Johnny G. Thank you so much. Good morning, night. Yeah. Good morning, night, Johnny G. Bye-bye. Rest well. Hi, Takeshi. Hello, Takeshi. Romeo. Thank you, Romeo. Ay, shit! Di po, nagkalagdag ang mga gamit ko. Hello. Guys, asa na yung mga kinakausap ko dito? Nawala na kayo. Ayaw nyo ba sa English speaking ko? Ayaw nyo ba ng English skills ko, guys? Ayaw nyo ba nun? Maybe I should speak in English because there's a lot of international viewers. Grabe, wala na yung mga kabardagulan ko dito. Iniwan na nila ako sa ere. Okay lang naman, Jik. Ikaw, Jik. How are you, Jik? Hi, Junjun. Hi, Jesus. Jesus. Dado, hello. Romeo, thank you, Romeo. How are you, Romeo? You kept sending piso-piso. How are you, Romeo? Na, 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 na. Guys, help nyo akong mag-ilang stars ba?